is a moment when inspiration turns to innovation, when teams come together to create something that will change the business landscape. Since 1995, the engineers at Valvoline and Cummins have been working together to bring about those moments. It's a partnership that crosses industries and creates solutions that complement each other's products. Solutions built not on what's needed now, but what's needed next. Valvoline and Cummins engineers and scientists work closely together to leverage their experience and knowledge to minimize uncertainty for the end user, making it easier for an equipment owner to do their job. Valvoline and Cummins engineers work with strenuous field tests, perform normal and abnormal usage scenarios, and pore over data sets with one goal: minimize risk and maximize customer value. To better show the close relationship between Valvoline and Cummins, we sat down with some of the key players jointly working to achieve technological advantages between oil and engine designs.
I had 30 years at Cummins and worked in materials engineering there. Had the pleasure to get to work with Valvoline during most of that period. And it's always been a really interesting partnership because it's more like two different departments of the same company rather than two different companies.
What I've seen with Valvoline is they have the same innovative spirit and have the same focus and mentality on improving our customers' experience as we do.
And it's great to work with Cummins because they have intimate knowledge of the metal side and we have intimate knowledge of the liquid side, and together we've got the whole thing covered.
Teams within Valvoline help us fix problems, identify solutions much faster than anyone else that we've worked with.
Together we're just stronger, better, faster. This relationship allows us to see 5 to 10 years into the future. We know what's going to be coming next, where a lot of oil companies are reacting to what's being launched by an engine manufacturer. We have a seat at the table during the design of that engine.
Valvoline and Cummins puts a lot of resources and time and energy into research and development to formulate the best oil we can. The millions of miles of field tests, the hundreds of thousands of hours of test cell testing prove that we put the effort into formulating the right product to meet their durability requirements and to meet their total cost of ownership. Valvoline brings a unique perspective to Cummins that we don't always have. For them to focus on the engine oil and making sure that it's the best product brings a lot of value.
An engine has to rely on oil. If you engineer them in harmony, you can then lower cost and increase efficiency. And we believe that the Cummins engine with premium blue oil is the lowest cost, most efficient product you can put in a fleet to be able to keep your total cost of ownership down, maintain your maintenance cost, and to make sure that you have on-time delivery and a very good environmental footprint.
Engine manufacturers and oil companies envy the relationship that we have. We talk with the Valvoline team on a weekly basis, from the marketing side, the supply chain, the sales teams, and that really close-knit family interaction builds trust, builds respect, and at the end of the day, we're going to be able to produce products that improve the Cummins engines and the customer experience for both.
The engineers at Valvoline and Cummins will continue to work closely, using their past successes to build new ones. They'll collaborate and challenge each other to get better, grow smarter, and create new ways to move the industry forward.